Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make mini Easter basket cheesecakes. Alright, this recipe says it yields 12 of the mini cheesecakes, but I went ahead and did 18 in my mini muffin tin because I really think it could do 18 to 24. So first you need a mini muffin tin. You need the vanilla wafer cookies, so however many cheesecakes you're going to make. I went ahead and sprayed my bottoms because I don't have any of the liners. I just sprayed it with cooking spray and then put my little vanilla wafers upside down in there. And then you need 2 packages of cream cheese softened, a half a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, and then you need some fun stuff for decorations. If you want to put chocolate on top, you can definitely do that. I got these little Twizzlers pull and peels, and they're the perfect size, the mini size, and then you just pull them apart, and that is going to make our little handle for our Easter basket. And then I got these little shimmer Cadbury eggs, and I thought those would be fun to put on top. I just got the little one, though, so I did not have enough. But they will look so cute. And like I said, if you want to do some chocolate, that's fine, too. So we're going to go ahead, preheat the oven to 350, and if you haven't sprayed your cookie or your little muffin tin, go ahead and do that and put your vanilla wafers in. And then we are going to beat our cream cheese and sugar together until it's nice and combined. Alright, that looks great. So add in your eggs and your half a teaspoon of vanilla and just mix that again on low speed until it's nice and combined. Alright, that looks good. I just went ahead and took a spoon and scraped down the sides. So now we are going to fill up our little mini muffin tins just right on top of the wafers. Alright, those are all ready, and as you can see, I still have more of the cheesecake, and I did do 24, so you'll have more than enough to do the 24 of the mini muffin tins. Alright, our oven is preheated, so we're going to go ahead and stick these in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll check them after 10 minutes to be sure. You don't want to overcook these. My little cheesecakes just came out of the oven. They're a little teeny tiny bit jiggly in the middle, but those will set while they're cooling. So, right now, I am going to take a butter knife and try to go around the outside just to make sure that they don't stick. Alright, that did not work. So I'm just going to go ahead and let them cool for a little bit, and then I'll try it. I'm going to give them a little more time to set up, just cooling. My cheesecakes cooled off to room temperature, and I went ahead and found some sugar crystals in the cupboard just to make them look more Eastery, spring-like. And then I took a butter knife and just went along the edges, because now that they are cooled off, you can do that. So now I'm going to cover these, and the unfortunate part is we have to refrigerate them at least 3 hours or overnight. Alright, after you move all your little Easter baskets out of the refrigerator, go ahead and take your knife around the edges again, and be very careful because these bottoms are very delicate. Some of mine did not make it. Then you just want to put your little rope in there, your little Twizzler, and then decorate it however you want. The sugar crystals kind of melted in there, so you might want to do that afterwards, but I don't know, it looks kind of cool. Or the little eggs, but they look really cute. We'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, Taste Testers, have a little taste.
Yum, 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 yum.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
Bye!